lead generation, specifically through LinkedIn. There are a lot of tactics. There are a lot of different processes. There are people who have much different opinions than I do about lead generation on LinkedIn. To some, it's a huge number game. And because there's nearly 1 billion LinkedIn members today, they don't mind just plowing through the LinkedIn network with no regard or little regard to who they bump into along the way, as long as they can get to the lead they want to get to. I don't process that way. I'm a connector. I'm a networker. I believe that my network is my most important asset in my life, which includes in my business. And the more trust and respect I build with the people I connect with, and the more people that I connect with along the way, the easier it becomes for me to grow my business. My lead generation tactic works sort of kind of like this. First of all, I pay attention as I'm prospecting, or what I refer to as researching. I pay attention to second level LinkedIn members. These are the people that are easier for me to get to than third level, who I don't have a mutual connection to, and often it's more difficult to get a conversation with them. But the second level target audience, i.e. potential leads on LinkedIn, are much easier for me to get to, because I can often reach out to someone whom I've connected with already on LinkedIn and get introduced. These mutual connections, again, because I build my network in such a way that I build trust and respect with all of the right people, these second level connections are often able to tell me about this person, this potential lead, because they may know them. Not all of them do, but they may know them. And if they do know this person well enough, they can potentially introduce me to this person, and B, first and foremost, tell me if this person is truly a potential lead. So if my mutual connection knows that this person I think I want to connect with, potential lead, is the right person, and B, if they know them well enough, they can introduce me. Now I'm moving closer to moving it from a LinkedIn member to a LinkedIn connection to a conversation that could lead to a business conversation, which could turn into ink on paper. It's really that's tactic for me. Find the right person, find the introduction, validate that person could truly be a good lead, and then get introduced to that person, connect, get into a conversation, if I can, and then see if I can get into a business conversation, if I can, and then that could potentially lead to business. It doesn't happen, simultaneously, all backed up together in a week or a month or whatever. It may take 6 months, and that's okay, because my lead generation process is all about finding the right people and getting introduced. Now, it's still a numbers game for me, but I'm way more tactical to make my numbers a smaller group of numbers, because I'm making them more focused. I'm making them more targeted. And I'm not sending out invites or in-mails and hoping and praying. I'm building trust and respect of my LinkedIn network, who are potentially influencers relevant to the work I do, and can introduce me to these people. So it's a numbers game. How many introductions do I need a week? I need enough introductions a week to get the number of conversations I want to have a week. I need the right number of conversations that can lead to the right number of business conversations. Now, I know what that is for me. It's going to be different for you, because your product is different, your service is different, your industry is different, your relationship with these people are different than all that information for me. So I'm very deliberate about building my network, building trust and respect with the right people, asking the right people to introduce me to the right people, working to get the right conversations with those people I get introduced to, and hoping in those conversations and working to get those conversations moved to business conversations when it makes sense. And by the way, for me, it's all about introduction. The more introductions I get, the more LinkedIn connections I get who are relevant to what I'm trying to do. In time, I move those LinkedIn connections through a process called relationship development. I stay in touch, I say hello, I engage with them, I pay attention to them, I pay attention to their career, I pay attention to their business. This is called social listening. And when possible, moving those people to business conversations. That is my lead generation process. I'm a B2B business developer. My product is sometimes referred to as a high-ticket sale item. I don't need thousands of sales a day or tens of thousands of sales a week. That's not my business. And so if you are looking for thousands of sales a day, LinkedIn may not be the right place. You may need to go do something different. But lead generation on LinkedIn, for me, introductions, connections, conversations, relationship development that can lead to business conversations. It's my process. It may not be for you, but it works for me. Thank you for letting me share.